Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss about MS Access. You know very well MS Access is a very much powerful RDBMS software. It is also part of MS Office, and this is also an application software developed by Microsoft Corporation. Today we are going to discuss about the features of MS Access, object and to open. Some important features of MS Access are: it is a Windows based application. For this reason, its interface similar to Windows and easy to use. Number 2 is it maintains a single disk file for a database and all its associated object to reduce data duplication. Number 3 is it increase the efficiency, speed and flexibility in searching and accessing information. Number 4 features is data can be imported from or exported to FoxPro, Excel, Oracle and other data formats. It can also provide the facility to create data forms so that the user can enter the required information in the respective field. It also reduces data entry errors. Next point, queries help you get information on a specific topic from the information stored in the database. It can also allow sharing of data. People located at different places can extract database according to their requirements. Now object. MS Access provides some objects. Number 1 is table. What is table? In Access, data is stored in a table. You know very well, in the previous chapter I already told you. A table is a set of columns and rows. It means it is an intersection between rows and columns, with each column referred to as a field. Each value in a field represents a single type of data. Queries. You use queries to retrieve specific data from your database and to answer questions about your data. It means queries is used to retrieve a specific data for the user. Forms. Forms give you the ability to choose the format and arrangement of fields. You can use a form to enter, edit and display data. It means by using form you can enter any type of data, edit and display. Report. Report organize and summarize data so that you can print it or view it on screen. Now how to open MS Access for working. Just see, if you want to open MS Access, you just click on Start, All Programs, a pop-up menu will appear. From that place you can choose MS Office 2010 and then click on MS Access. After opening MS Access, we can find out this type of view in your computer screen. Just see carefully. This is a view which is available in your computer screen after click on MS Access 2010. In this place, you just click on blank database. After click on blank database, a view will appear and then write the database name over here and click on create. After click on create, we can find out a view from where you can use all these options and tools for create a database file. Now creating an Access database. When you start MS Access, you can find out following purpose of the database, user of the database, tables of the database, queries the database need and form and report. In Microsoft Access, we can find out a blank database as well as sample template. how to create a blank database. A blank database is used to store all the information directly. So how to open? First, to create blank database, first you want to open that database, then you can apply. Now how to open? Just open Microsoft Access and click on File and Tab, select the new option from the Backstage view and click on blank database option under available template. You can find out in your book to create a blank database. After click on blank database, you can find out this type of view in your computer screen. Both of you can see in your book. Next is click on the browse button. The file new database dialog box appear. Locate the folder in which you want to store your database. It means you first open the database, then store the database with your file name and click on OK and finally click on create button. After click on create button, this view will appear in front of you. This view, just see, this view will appear in front of you. Now, what is the component of MS Access? Component. First component is title bar. See, this is a view will appear in your computer screen. The first, this bar is known as title bar. Title bar contain the file name of the database. It contain the file name of the database. After that, you can find out some quick access toolbar. This is a quick access toolbar. From this toolbar, you can save the file directly. Okay. After that, we can find out file button and ribbon. These all ribbons are available in your computer screen, and from that ribbon you can find file, home, create, external data like this. All these options very much useful for you for creating a blank database and complete a database. After that, you can find if you want to create a database, just click on file and then click on this. See that tabbed bar is available on that place, and with click on add option. This is all the working place. This is a place where you can write all this information with this tab, and this is a place where you can find out the table name. Thanks for today. Next day I will discuss about MS Access much more. Thank you.